Hello everyone, this is my review of the RYOBI ONE 18-volt cordless drill. I like to have a cordless drill because you can take it around anywhere and it makes easy of use. You can lock the trigger or change the rotation by that switch there. It has a keyless chuck and adjustable torque. This drill has a strong battery life, so you could get plenty of use out of it, and you can use it in combination with other tools. It has a light on the bottom. The keyless chuck is right here. You just spin this to open it and close it. Okay, let me go ahead and plug in the battery so you can see. Okay, the battery is in. You can control the speed of rotation with your trigger by squeezing it and change the directions and everything. You can see the light is on there. So this is a pretty good drill. I like it. Use it a lot. And I hope this review helps.